duck.
Oh, you know what? I'll be right back. I just remembered for when she comes out, we have her little hoodie.
Yeah, that's what you need.
Not yet.
Are you out of your mind or a hoodie?
No, not a hoodie. Her bathrobe with the little hood. When she comes out later, I'll show you. It's like a towel. It's like a towel. You'll see.
That acorn don't fall from the tree.
Oh my god, I don't know what I've done.
Just to dry her, not to keep her in.
It's gonna take the sun like 1 second to dry her. Are you having fun to it? Huh? Are you having fun? Ooh, watch yourself. It's a little slippery. Ay, 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 ay. What happened to it, huh? You having fun, huh? Having fun in the water? That's it. I guess. It definitely sounds like fun. Oops. Gesundheit. It's not coming out your nose. Oh well, that's okay, you're in water.
Your phone get hot in your video?
Yeah. What happened? That's it. Phew. Yeah, go away. Yeah, very annoying. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh, what happened, huh? Oh, what happened? That's what it is. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mama.
Come on, guys.
Having fun, huh? Ooh. Oi, 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 that's it. Got the duck? It's actually not a duck. Duck. That's a duck.
See, this is all it is. It's a towel with little arms to go through. Come on, Giz. You want to come out? Hi, baby. You coming? Here, I'll leave it like this. Oh. Come here. Mommy come in with you? Ready? Ooh, it's cold. Man.